Another wash day. Another wash day is upon us. Hi guys, Kamra here with Elon Blue Talks, where I help you to create stunning wigs through easy to follow steps, explore simple protective hairstyle options, and share tips on growing healthy, beautiful hair naturally. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button to catch more videos just like this. All links in this video is going to be in the description box below. It's wash day again, and I like to film my wash days so that you guys can track my hair growth process. Especially because I wear wigs most of the time. I want to keep track of how my hair is doing underneath and kind of film it so that you guys know what benefits or hindrance of wearing wigs on a daily basis might have on your natural hair. Because I wear wigs on a daily basis, I think it's really informative to show how my hair is doing underneath these wigs. So yeah, we have another wash day video, and yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy. As I've mentioned in my previous videos, I don't particularly like wash days, which I don't think a lot of us do, but it is getting easier, and I'm finding like different methods and ways to just make it go a little quicker, make it a little bit more efficient. So yeah, I'm actually happy that, you know, it's getting easier. So yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna start the process with a little bit of this CoWash. I'm gonna start the process a little bit with this CoWash cream by BodyWork. And I love using this CoWash product. Now, it doesn't get my hair as clean, of course, because it is just a CoWash. It doesn't get my scalp as clean as I'm gonna need it to today. So I'm just gonna be putting this on the ends to kind of just hydrate it, give it a little moisture before I start to like play around with it. And I am going to be using this as my shampoo. No, okay, hold on. Yeah, there we go. No, it is not just date syrup. It is actually black soap, and all I did was shred it. I shredded it. Yeah, I shredded it, and then I put it in this bottle, and then added some water and some essential oils. But it's funny because the just date syrup is brown as well. It definitely looks like the product in the package, so it's kind of cool. But yeah, this is not just date syrup. I'm just using this bottle to distribute and dispense the soap onto my scalp. So yeah, so you know, just multi-usage, trying to, you know, save the planet one bottle at a time. But yeah, I like it. I will create a video on how I created this shampoo and post that on the channel as well, because I think it would be helpful for those who are looking for a more natural shampoo to work with. I use this for my skin, for like washing my body with. I use it on my face as well, and now I use it on my hair. So yeah, I really like black soap. Black African soap it does the trick without all of the extra ingredients. All right, I'm back. I just hopped out of the shower. I washed my hair in the braids that y'all saw. I didn't take it out. I haven't taken it out yet. I often like to wash my hair in braids because it's just so much easier to detangle and manage. I now have a conditioner sitting on my hair underneath this towel with a plastic bag. Y'all know the deal. Most of y'all. But yes, I'm gonna sit underneath this towel with conditioner on my hair for about 20-30 minutes, and just let that conditioner really saturate, get all the way in there. And then I'm gonna hop back in the shower, rinse it out one at a time, take out those braids, detangle, and then twist it back, and then I'll be back. I actually don't know if I'm gonna take those braids out in the shower. I think it might still be detangled already, since it was detangled when I braided it and I haven't taken it out. I don't know. We'll see. But I know detangling, we'll just see. We'll see. Sorry, guys, we'll see. So this channel is about both finding your creative expression through wigs, as well as caring and nurturing your own natural hair. So in between all of the wig making processes, I like to insert some hair care videos of my own natural hair, as well as film the progress and the growth and the health of it as I wear wigs. I will create a video on how I created this concoction. I'm going to put that link right there. So don't worry, that's coming if anyone is interested in making their own shampoo. And I love that it has this dispenser top, because you can really get to the scalp without making a whole bunch of mess. This is a lot more liquidy than your traditional shampoo, so this little spout definitely helps kind of keep the mess at bay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and until next time, bye bye.